Keisha, but we more like Belly, Tommy, and Keisha. Gabe.
Hi guys, Lily. I'm back with another video with Ty. And today we're making cupcakes. And I just smashed my finger in the door earlier. It really hurts. It was unnecessary. Okay. So, we're going to move on to the ingredients we need. Go this way. Okay, not in the middle. Turn. Go back. So, since I'm experienced with baking, and yeah, I'm going to tell you what you're going to need. So first, you're going to need this metal bowl, or whatever freaking bowl you can get. A whisk, or the electric whisk, which I'm too cheap to actually buy that. Scissors to cut. If you don't have, like, the normal frosting crap, use Ziploc bags. Like, it's easy, and you just need scissors for it, too. You need some vegetable oil, or any kind of oil you kind of use. And that's 1/2 a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water, some piping things if you're frosting, some of the baking cups. You're going to need a baking tray, which in this case we have 2 because we're extra. And of course you're going to need some super moist French vanilla cake mix. Okay, let's get on with the video. Go. Let's go. Okay, first off, we're going to need to take this out.
Oh no.
And we're going to need to open our things, which this part is going to be fast forward. So how much? All of it. Oh, I also forgot. We need 3 eggs. Go in there, grab the basket.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot. Fast forward this
The basket. You're gonna need to add your 3 eggs, your water, and your vegetable oil, or whatever oil you use.
I promise that I'll hold you when it's cold out, when we lose our winter coats in the spring. Cause lately I was thinking I never told you that every time I see you my heart sings.
And we're gonna whisk, which is also gonna be fast forward. So we're gonna be right back when.
How long do you whisk for?
Oh, we whisk for at least 2 minutes by hand. So we're gonna be right back when we're done whisking all of this up, and then we're gonna get back to you guys. So we're back, and what we decided to do is to take a spoon. We're taking a ladle because it's going to be easier for us. But first, before we do all this, we're going to set that aside. And we're going to prep this, which is going to be fast forward. So, don't mind the fast forwarding in this video.
It's the dream.
So now that we are all set and ready, we're going to take this and take our ladle. This is how you do the Asian one. And we're gonna pour it half up the baking
Oh my god.
Swing the remix god!
Oh dear.
Okay, so we're gonna preheat the oven for 325.
Wait, no, we need to do this. Remember, you need to tell them to smash
Oh
it
yeah,
down.
we have to smash it because the bubbles and get rid of all the
No, yeah, smash it like that, not like literally.
We're gonna do it on the floor now.
Yeah, because you can't get it.
The oven for 325. So we didn't have enough.
Yeah, but
She's
we
gonna explain it.
we have so we had some remaining, so we got some minis. We didn't have enough, so this last one somewhere right here, we didn't have enough. So
I improvised. Where did the little things that you put?
I was recommending scooping some from the other, but she decided to flip it over and scoop it from this bowl. So we're putting it in the oven. So we just toast the first one, and this is the second part. The first one's already in there. Wait here.
Actually, while we're waiting,
I'm eating.
while we're waiting, we're gonna get everything set and ready. So we're gonna take this one because this is new. These aren't sharp at all.
Snip a tiny. Or not too tiny, but very, very tiny. Like you can barely even see it. Actually, you can't even see it at all.
We leave it in there for 12 to 17 minutes. And if the toothpick or the chopstick comes out not clean, you put it back in there for 3 minutes. Don't mind our Asian parents in the background. I'm here.
So we're recording some weird stuff. So this is the tray we're putting it on. And then we have this ugly thing right. This was the end result. This was her biggest failure of her life. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and tell us what we're gonna do next time. Bye.